Okay, in this project we need to see we need to create some reusable widgets. Okay, what is the reusable widget means? Same widget we are reusing in the different places. Same widget. Now I go to the project here. You can see the login button. Here is a login button, create account, reset password, post. Same with the title. Title is different here and here and here, right? So here, instead of writing the same code in all the places, I'm going to create one reusable button for this project. Here, not only button, this button also. This button also is background color is different. That's it only, but remaining same with the right. For this, I'm going to create one reusable button. Okay, one button need to create. Okay, reusable we can use into the all the places. And again, the text field. The text field. See here, this here and here. So here we are using that same kind of text field in all the places. Okay. For that also, I'm going to create a one reusable text field. In this project, any project, if you start the project, first to find out the where is the what is the reusable component is there. So based on that, we need to create a separate widgets for those. Now, any project is a button and text field is common. Okay, I'm going to create a one button here. Okay, are there no widgets? In this project, in this project, in the lib folder, I'm going to create another folder called widgets. Widgets. Inside this, I'll create a one button, app button widget. You can name it as any kind of name. App button widget. Dot dot. Another one is app 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 input text field widget. Dot. Okay. Stateless widget I'm going to take. There is no state here. And again, this also stateless widget. So we need to import this material dot in the both file. Okay. Okay, this is a clear. And next one is, again, I will write some code here for the button and text field. I will load some code. Before writing this code, I want to add some features is there. Okay, each feature I'm going to create a different folder. What are the features here? The splash screen, login screen, sign up screen, right? Other 7 screens is there. Each feature for our differentiation purpose will create a folders. Splash, okay, and login and sign up. Forgot password. Home. Add post. My post. This is a folders. Okay. Now, first, I want to design this screen. Okay. I want to design this screen. In this screen, we can see this is a one image widget image. This is a text and this is a text. This is a button, this is a button, and this is button. Sorry, this is a text. First, we'll create the screen. For that, I'll go to what is the folder name is splash screen. Create a file, splash screen dot dot. Okay, FST stateful widget splash screen. In this splash screen, what is a required thing? Let's create a widget structure here. Okay, we need to create a widget structure here. First of all, I will move to side by side these two. Yeah, here this is a splash screen, right? So here the logo is there. First one is a logo. This is a logo. And next one is after some space. This is a text. This is the text widget. And either also another text widget. And two are this is one and this is another one. Both are buttons. This is also buttons. And here also one text. In this screen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 widgets is there. All are six widgets. All are six widgets aligned is vertically. That meaning is, first of all, we'll create a one splash widget inside that. This is a body. Inside the body, I will take a one column. Inside the columns, these are the children's. First, we'll design the children, then we'll give some space between these two children and here, here, and here, and everything. Okay, this is a graphical part. I explained in the side by side screen, explained in the diagrammatically. Then we'll see same thing will represent into the programmatically. Okay, I'll go to the VS Code. First, I will write here. First, we require the first thing is image widget. Then text widget. Okay, text widget. Again, third also text widget. The fourth one is button, and fifth one is button, and the sixth one is text. Okay, one, two widgets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 widgets. Right here also 6 widgets totally. Okay, let's start that. The scaffold widget. In the scaffold, as per this design, there is no app bar. Inside the scaffold, there is a body. Inside the body, the container. I will take a container. In the container, I will give the container width and height as per the screen. Okay. The width is media query of context dot size dot width. Height is media query of context size dot height. In that there is a child. Child I will take as a column, children. So now here there is a 6 children is there. Okay, the 6 children of image widget. Okay, image widget. But image here in the image dot assets, we need to load the assets. Okay, so how to get the this assets from the Figma? The step one, just select the here. We can select the total frame and come back. We can see this export. Okay, click on this particular which image you are going to download from the Figma. Select that one, and in the below there is a export option is there. Inside the export option, you can choose what kind of image you want: SVG, JPEG, SVG, PDF, or PNG. Okay, I select the PNG and click on the export. It will download into the my downloads folder. Okay, then I will go to my project. Inside the project, I selected outside of the I selected in the panel. So now the panel, inside the panel, out of the predefined widget, predefined folders, I'm going to create another folder here. That folder name is, we can name it as a, most of the cases we can take a image assets or images. We can take anything. In this, I'm going to copy the what I download from the Figma. This is a downloaded, right? That is, I will drag and drop into the images folder. Now you can see the images came thus. So images like okay, this is a logo. You can name it as a logo underscore image or PNG. Okay, this part is done, and come back to the pub.yaml. Come back to the pub.yaml and just uncommented the 3 lines. I uncommented 3 lines and I removed this one. I removed the 64 line, and now my folder is this one, images, right? Just I will give it as image slash we can give the logo underscore image dot png. Okay, so instead of writing the each and every images, if you want to if you want to connect this image folder to asset, just instead of this just go back and image slash. After change the assets, just click on the download. Automatically the pubget will run. Okay, now what is the image size here? As per the Figma, the image size is total image size is, this is a frame, total frame. The frame is size is 226 and 43.4, 44 hertz, 226. Okay, and in the top is 140. This is a start from 140, and we'll put into the middle of the screen. Okay, I will put the top as a 140. Okay, forget about the background color, and we'll go to the splash screen. We'll go to the splash screen. In the splash screen, my assets name is images slash. I'll copy this total name. I go to splash screen. Right, this is a image slash. It's a logo.png. That's it. But as per the Figma, before the image, some space is there from there to here, right? Some space, 140. Okay. Sized box, I will put a sized box. I put a sized box. Height is a, instead of 140, I will take 100, no problem. Okay. Now the splash screen is created, but so we need to give the route name for the splash screen. I'll go to main.dot. Okay, I'll comment at 30. I will remove that. I can comment 34, not require the home. So instead of that, I will load. I will create a routes. So here I'm going to import the splash screen. The splash screen. The splash the splash screen. This is a this is a folder name. This is a file name. Totally, they import that file inside the routes slash splash screen. Can give the name of the splash screen, and the class name is routes splash screen. And after this route, the initial route I will load it as a splash screen. Slash splash screen. That's it. So now go to the terminal. Go to the terminal. Terminal, no terminal. I will run this project on Chrome. Okay. Flutter run -d Chrome. Presently I'm working in the Chrome only. Yeah, so after run this project on the Chrome, it will open this. Just we loaded the splash screen as a first. In the splash screen, I loaded as a search. You can see the output, added, loaded the next gen wave logo. Then what is the next one is this text. I'm going to load the text, copy, and after that, load the text inside the column slash comma text widget and double quotation. There is a text is there, and here also this text is there. We'll copy the text from there, and again the text widget is and this one. So two text is there we created, and this text you can see the text is empower growth anytime anywhere. The font size is 28 and the font weight 600, and we can use this one. The text has the style property and the style, the text style, and the font size is 28 pixels, and comma the font weight is font weight dot w600. This is this one, and come to here, the font size 16 and the font weight 300. Same style a copy from here and apply to the this text, and font size I will reduce to 616 and 300 is. Now we applied both. Again run this project. We can see the output here. Along with image, we loaded the two things. One is the 2x one. So you can see here, empower growth anytime, anywhere, and learning. Okay. So now this text start from here. Okay. So this text I want in middle of the screen, and as well as and we need to add some padding. And again, this text to this image, some space is there. I will give the space. And some padding. So padding only. adding one top I will give as 150, 150, left 25, under right 25, and bottom will give as a 30. Let's see the output. Some spaces maybe to add. Some spaces added here and here also. What are the next? I need to design these two. All right. As per this design, um, the space between two is 16, and add 30. I will reduce to 16. So here is a padding, and I think is a 25 left and the color also black color, and this color is also black. This one, but yeah. So I added the text alignment as center. Now the text is um, come to the middle of the screen, and your learning journey simplified. And next one is as for the Figma, and this is a login button and sign in button I need to create. And after that, here I'm going to create a login button. Okay. So let's say first we create the button here, then I will reuse the same button in the same button as a reusable. Yeah. So here this is a button. This button I want to design with the text button. You can see the code text button on press. Then the container as per this one, as per the Figma, the width is 320. This width is 324, and directly 300 I gave that, and 324, and height is I can give like a 45. And next alignment is center, and the child is a login, and login again as a some text is there. This is a 15 pixel and 700, and 16 pixel and 700, and background text color is white, and decoration the circle corner radius is I have said that 10, and this is a background color. Now the output is this one. You can see the output of login. But as per the design, we need to create another button also, but this button there is no background color, and text color is the white color. Okay. So for this, instead of writing this duplicate code, instead of writing this double code, this code I will move to the separate class. Okay. So already I created this one, right? The widgets inside the app button is there. Here I need to paste the what the code is there. I need to paste this code one. Okay. So I'll go to splash screen from here to, and here I cut this code. I go to the app button. In that return, this one. See this one. So simply just use the app button widget inside the splash screen. So here app button widget. Now I will run the code. You can see the same, output. If you want the same button and anywhere, just a copy and paste like this. Now we can see added the two buttons, right? Now you can see two buttons added. Okay. Here the same code, okay, same code we are reusing in the two different places, here like this. But differentiation between there the two buttons is we need to pass the background color and text color. Okay, and the title, we need to pass the two arguments to the this widgets, and as well as we can get it back from the on button action. Okay, let's go to the app button, and here on press is a wide required on press. So in this button, what is the required thing we need to pass? The final string title, title, and required things, right? Required this dot in the constructor, passing the title. So this title is this one. Okay, I replace the static value and put the title. That's it. But this button is, what is the difference? The color is a differentiation. Again, I will write. I will take a color. Color also one parameter. Okay, color is title color. Okay, also we need, this is a required thing, this dot title color, the title color, and passing directly title color. Okay, so two parameters we are sending, and another one is the button background color. Same, the background color, button background color. Okay, this dot button background color. This also required. Okay, so I will replace this one and passing as a parameters. Okay, instead of repeating this line of code, just passing the parameter wherever you want this button, just pass the those three parameters. One is the title and title color and background color. Okay, and background color, button background color. Okay, so now again, so why it's error is, we need to pass the three parameters here. One is the title. What is the title is? Login. And what is the title color is? Title color is colors dot white. What is the button background color is? Colors from RJ, color from RGBO 0 and 0, 255 and 1. See the output, we can see the output. See, this is a button. If you want the same button, the below, right, just to copy the code from here to here. Same button. Let's see the output is two buttons is came, right? So here just this is a reusable button. This is a common for everywhere. Wherever you want, we can use the same reusable component. But their changes is we are passing the three parameters. One is the sign up. One is the sign up. The sign up text color is color start black color, and the background color is, you can see the output, the background color is just white color. Background color is white color. Yeah, so we created a separate class for the app button, this button, but differentiation of the As for the differentiation is there, the login text and sign up text, and the background color. Here is a background color, the border color also there. And so that's why I'm going to pass the title color, background color, and border color. Here is title, I'm passing the login. Here I pass sign up. Output is, this is the output. Okay, but the space between the two is 24, and I will add the sized box. The sized box as height is a 24, and after running this one, output will display like this. See, some space is added here. Okay, but here some space is between here and here. Okay, 60. Okay, same size box. I'll copy. I'll put above the button as a 60. 60. See, some space is added here. Okay. Now, and last one is that this text is a copyright. And for now, I will leave it as. So this is, I want to move into the middle of the screen, and the column, with a column, inside the column I will put as a main access center. Main access dot center. Okay. Now the output is there. See. So this is the screen. What is there in the Figma? We designed the screen here. Okay. So when I click on this login button and we click on the sign up button, we need to navigate to the another screen. Okay. We need to navigate to the another screen. Okay. And here I want to add some space between the some here to here in the between after the image. I will add some space. Okay, now it's moving here, and this is moving here, and again I will remove there. Okay, so this is a splash screen. In this splash screen there is a login and sign up button is there. Once I click on the login button, we need to navigate to the another screen. Till now we designed the splash screen, and that I will give the action for the login and sign up action for the next class.